I made you host. Please share the screen.
This is third server, right?
This is second server.
Right. Yeah.
Both AD, DNS and PBS we have on the same server.
Okay.
On this, one mandatory thing is we need to install VMware tools before itself.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
VMware tools after previous target device agent is not a best practice.
Okay.
This OS is third VM, right? Windows Enterprise.
Yeah, yesterday we downloaded, no? So that one. So yesterday we downloaded the ISO, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Here,
Actually, yesterday installed home. Home is
this one
not
is
supported.
yeah, I have downloaded.
ఇప్పుడు ఇది మూడో VM గా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తున్నాం అంతే కదా? నా క్వశ్చన్ అది.
This is the second VM.
సెకండ్ VM మీన్స్ ఫస్ట్ దానిలో DHCP అవన్నీ ఉంటే సెకండ్ దానిలోమో డెలివరీ కంట్రోల్.
No,
Delivery
yeah,
controller.
delivery controller as of now skip it.
Okay, okay.
For PVS wise,
Second VM.
second VM.
Okay, okay.
It normally we should have minimum 3.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so DHCP on separate, AD, DNS, DHCP on separate.
Yes.
PVS server
Okay.
should be separate. Target device is separate. Or
Okay.
VDA on server where we have on top of that we can install. Where we have VDA on server, on top of that we can install the PVS target device also.
Okay.
On controller we shouldn't install either on VDA multi-user OS or single user OS. On top of that we need to install PVS target device and convert into
vDisk.
vDisk.
Without the delivery controller, right?
Yeah, on delivery controller is separate role. On
Okay.
delivery controller, no need of PBS.
Okay, okay.
Because VDA on server, VDA on desktop, we need hundreds of servers or thousands of servers.
So I think in PVS all the things we can manage from the PVS console itself, not from the Citrix Studio or domain controller. Delivery controller.
Yeah, today someone have network latency. I don't know who is that.
This one.
Otherwise, if we have that mission domain controller also, we can install.
Anyway, it will take another
Yeah,
10 minutes. Okay.
Okay, say this we need to install VMware tools, join to domain, login as AD user, then install PVS target device.
Okay. Okay, so here I've selected India. Okay, but yesterday I think I'm connected.
Come to that Windows server itself. Is it finished? VMware tools also initialize. So come to that PVS server, open the services. Maybe database not running and PVS SOAP server is not running, and explore Citrix Pvs services once. What are the Citrix Pvs services we have? Say even Citrix virtual app and desktop services, controller services, Citrix Pvs services also we need. Check that SOAP server is running or not.
I think it's not.
Yeah, if the SOAP server is not running, then we are not able to contact that Active Directory, or not able to contact to the console also. And check that database also, SQL Server Express we have installed, right? That service also check once whether it's running or not. SQL Express is running.
Yes.
Yeah, but the agent is disabled. It is fine, right?
Which one? That is no issues. Venkat, your cam is on.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, no issues. Yeah, so now we connected. Meanwhile, that target device settings we need to finish.
Okay.
This install VMware tools is mandatory. After this, better to take a snapshot.
Sure, restart is asking.
Yes, we need to restart.
Yeah, after this, take a snapshot.
It's not from-
You need to
Okay,
change
join
IS to site.
to domain, join to domain.
Okay.
The automatic IP should be there.
Okay, here option is come. Let me change to the
Any
computer name
PVS,
as well.
master PVS target device.
It's master. Okay, I think at a time. Okay, it's allowed.
That your domain, you add it.
Okay, so I think we have to reboot twice.
Yeah, that no issue. Join to domain only.
Okay.
Restart once, then. Is it joined to domain?
As of now, no.
Not right. Yeah, okay.
No.
And check the IP also, what IP we got it, whether domain DHCP has given the IP or not, check once.
Your voice is low, Subran.
Yeah, once we connected, check IP is DHCP is assigned or not. Yeah, check the IP address.
I mean, I think yeah, it's easy. Okay, so let me try to return to the domain.
Is it your domain, right?
No. This time I have to.
No. IP is given by DHCP only, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, then no problem. Join to the domain. Yeah.
Yeah, it's on now.
Yeah, now restart
I
again.
think in Windows 10, DSCP is by default enabled.
No. Our DHCP only need to assign this IP.
Okay.
That AD DNS DHCP
Yeah,
only
yeah.
should assign the IP to this.
Yeah. So,
But Windows default DHCP enabled just only. That's why
Okay,
they assign.
but IP got from Subrat, that
Yes,
domain.
Subrant DHCP only.
Yeah, yeah. That disable that IP also.
So I have logged in with one of the domain user.
Yeah, you log into that domain, right? Is
Yeah,
it
yeah.
having admin permissions? Domain admin permissions.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, then mount that PVS and install target device agent. So now we are installing PVS target device agent.
Yeah.
In Citrix virtual app and desktop, on which servers we can install this? Either VDA on multi OS session or VDA on single OS session. On controllers not required. Yeah, choose here target device installation.
Target device
Yeah,
installation.
target device. Yeah. If any problem comes, keep it bridge for some time.
Okay. Can I select this lunch?
Your screen is disconnected. Shubrant.
Yeah. That I can share my screen. Yeah. Is my voice is audible now?
Yeah,
But
little bit.
Okay. So can I launch this? Can I select this lunch image
yeah,
visual?
we are using imaging wizard, launch imaging wizard. With that, will connect to our PVS server. Yeah, after that, no need to launch, later we'll open that.
Okay.
Say here itself, no, uncheck that.
Okay.
Finish.
Yeah.
Yeah. So restart once.
It's asking for restart.
We need to install Wizard, right?
It will come by default. This just to
Okay,
open that, it
but
is
it's showing,
asking us. No need, we'll see. In the start menu, we can open
Okay, okay.
that wizard.
Okay.
Sure. Now we have to open the imaging
Yeah,
wizard.
imaging wizard open once. Yeah, login.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sure.
click next. Give that PVS server IP.
I think 10.1.
Yeah, yeah. One of the, but it's better to confirm.
Yes, yes. This only static IP. Remaining all are DHCP, right? That's why.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
T2.1.
Yeah, don't use Windows credentials.
Okay.
You log in as other user. No issue. He has admin permissions, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, now create a vdisk.
Okay. So target device.
Master Windows set 10. Yesterday we created the collection, right? Group of missions we can keep in the collection. Okay. Otherwise, come to PVS console, create a new collection of Windows 10. Go to PVS console. Expand that. Go to collections.
The sides.
Yeah. Device collections. By default, the name we have given is collection. Right click on this. No, device collections, right click. Windows
A
10.
device.
Say we have 100 windows, all those we are keeping in one collection. Yeah, you can give here Windows 10. Okay, they refresh and add to this collection.
Okay, still nothing is coming.
Go back and again.
Still it's not coming.
Yeah, okay. As of now, use collection. Maybe need to reconnect again. You understood, right? What is collection?
Yeah.
If you have 100 controllers, that 100 controllers keep in one uh, collection. Otherwise, in our use case, we discuss Indian servers are 1000, US servers are 1000. Then maintain those 1000 desktops in how many collections will create?
Two collections.
Two different collections. Yeah, as of now, go with the default collection. I give any vdisk name, Windows 10 vdisk. Yeah, 43. That's in the store. We have 43 GB. It is showing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next, VHDX is recommended. VHD is the old format. Dynamic you go.
Then,
Yeah, dynamic. According to that size, it can dynamically adjust. Say, if we are going to create, assume 100 devices. For that, we can configure the licensing also, because Windows 10 or Windows Server, those are not licensed one, right? Sorry, not free of cost. We can use either KMS-based license or multiple activation. In the real time, which one mostly will use for the multiple devices? Multiple activation key.
activation.
As of now, we are going with none.
Okay.
None. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, image entire VDs. We have only maybe C drive here. Yes. Yeah, do not optimize the hard disk. I'll optimize later. Yeah, go with that. Yeah, this is going to now create it. Progress, it takes some time. And these all need to convert into that VDisk. Once this
Okay,
VDisk is done, multiple devices, easily we can boot it. Yeah, let's start create. It all this convert this OS image into VDisk. It takes some time.
It's done. It's showing done.
Okay. Access is denied. Management access was denied.
That user maybe I'm suspecting.
Okay.
There you give subba/admin instead of using the local user.
Okay, then let me.
Again, open that widget.
Okay. So,
No, login as subra/administrator.
okay, domain/administrator.
Yeah, that user we need to log in.
Yeah. Okay, this one is administrator. But we have installed with that ID. I think, okay, let's try.
Yeah, open that imaging wizard again.
Create details.
Yeah, master image. This is our master image. Later we'll create multiple. Our golden template also we can call.
Okay, now it's coming.
Yeah,
Just
that's yeah, that you can use. Yeah.
master dynamic on its entire focus. Still, it is in the same management interface. It is file access system.
Come to that PBS. Open that vdisk tab in the site. Vdisk pool. Refresh once.
Yeah, nothing is.
Check that storage. Storage, the drive is there, right? C drive store.
Yeah.
That permissions check once.
Okay. See.
Where you kept the store path?
I think in the C Windows store, we have created a folder for store. It's not showing here.
Don't keep like this. In Citrix or create a new folder again, we'll add that.
Okay, so it's better to create
Yeah.
a temp folder.
Yeah. Not temp, give store, PVS store. Go to that stores. Last option, last in that views stores.
Okay.
Yeah, that VDIS came now. Now came that VDIS.
vdisk pool to
Yeah,
create
to
it.
yeah, here that size is some check those properties. Somewhere it is not getting the permission. Okay, let me check the stores.
Okay.
Click cancel. That PBS console itself refresh once.
So I'm giving you control. Give me 5 minutes. I'll be back. Can you please try to control? Okay. Give me 2 minutes. I'll be
Yeah, sure. Okay. Actually, yesterday while configuring PBS itself, it lost the store path also.
Yes, he created some
But
place
it's not there in the
in C drive. They kindly search PVS in C drive. Already created. I saw
I'm
them.
not able to log in. This is not working.
Okay.
okay. I'm back. I
Okay.
think it's not going anywhere.
Yeah, actually open that Explorer, Windows Explorer, C drive.
Okay.
Search for any PVS is there. Windows maybe check in Windows have created or users maybe go. Desktop.
Mm,
Desktop. Come to desktop.
okay. Inside Windows, I think PVS store is there.
Yeah, that may not have the permission. Okay, close it. Close it.
Okay, then we can keep the
Yeah,
permission.
yeah. Otherwise, do one thing. Can you fastly configure the PBS only?
No, I didn't get it actually.
PBS configuration wizard is there, right? In the start
Okay.
menu, we'll get the PBS configuration wizard. Cancel. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Go to PBS configuration wizard in the start menu. Close this. configuration wizard. Yeah. Next, yeah. Second one, second option.
Okay.
Back. Second option. Yeah. Yeah, form is already configured. Okay. Do not join. Yeah, skip it as of now. Yeah, no. Validate that.
Uncheck,
Uncheck that. Uncheck that. Yeah, next. Okay. Is not asking store, I think. Next. No, back site, site instead of configuring, come back, still, back. Yeah, create a form.
Next.
In the real time, we shouldn't do this. Yeah, next, create a form. Next. Yeah, next. Give any new database name. My new database name.
Okay.
Yesterday, the database is different, but this is database is different. But for time being, it's fine.
Okay, here we have to give the default
Yeah,
path.
give that path.
Previous to not join this. This is fine, right? 5
Yeah, this is fine. Okay.
After completion, we need to
Yeah,
start.
from that we need to again start it.
Yes, some services automatically stopped.
Yeah, we'll check that SOAP server.
Yes.
Okay, so we have created new form to get the new store, right?
Yes, actually this is a new form kind of thing.
Hmm.
But that's from that store itself, normally we need to add it. Previously that throw some error, right? Snap in error we got. From that itself, from the store, we can add a new store also. Yeah, as of now, open that services check once, Citrix services.
Let me reopen the service. Yeah, all the services.
Yeah, open that console,
Axial. So also running.
PVS console. Yeah, connect, right click, connect to the form. Yeah. Localhost. Okay. And now try to connect to this. That go to Windows 10. Again, open that image wizard. So image wizard is one of the tool to automatically create the VDisk we are using as of now. I cancel this. Open again. So here we need to give PVS server IP. Yeah. Yeah, anything master Windows 10. Next. Any VDisk name.
Okay, this time it is successful.
Yeah, it's continue. Yes. So now go to this BIOS options. BIOS option.
For this VM?
Yeah, for this VM.
Not sure how.
Go to that VM settings.
Okay.
What is the button? We need to check that 1 second. That restart again.
Yeah.
We may, which button we need to check that to enter into.
Windows 10.
Not Windows 10. This is VM level.
Okay, okay.
This is running on the VMware workstation, right?
Yeah, yeah.
F2 try once, restart and F2.
No, nothing is happening.
No, after restart F2.
Okay.
No, it's booting. Check that VM settings, come to VM. Settings.
Yeah.
Any BIOS options are there?
No.
Options, not hardware, options is there above.
Oh, okay.
Boot anything is there? Amal, here forceful to enter BIOS option, there is one setting would be there. Force enter to BIOS something. Advanced only come.
In Google, F2 only showing.
F2
here-
only. Yeah, come to options. F2 you press it right properly.
Yeah.
Yeah, come to advanced
No
options.
problem.
Last one. Normally here this BIOS option, we may need to check it.
Yeah, here it's there, but it's
Stop it and do it.
Okay.
Maybe shutdown state, we may get that option.
Yeah.
Yeah, now okay. Yeah, power on now.
Okay.
Net. Anyhow, it booted from network itself. Click enter. Enter.
Yeah, enter.
So now here it got one client IP 192.168.10.4. This is the DHCP and no bootable devices. 66 and 67 you didn't configure in the DHCP scope options.
Yeah, I think so.
Yes, that DHCP scope options we need to set it. That is the problem, that error got.
Okay.
Go open DHCP.
Okay.
DHCP, yeah.
Yeah.
Go to that scope. Right click, scope options.
Okay.
Yeah, 66 and 67 configure with the boot server and boot file.
No, now it's fine, right?
66 and 67. 67 right click on that 66. Yeah,
Okay.
properties.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, here you give that boot server name, IP address 192, that PVS server IP.
So in the string value, right?
Yeah, in the string value.
Okay. So for the
Boot
boot
file is right click properties. AR dbp32.bin. Capital letters AR DB Delhi Bangalore DBP Punjab 32.bin. BIN.
it's fine, right?
Yeah. Yeah, save it. Restart that Windows again, Windows 10. Restart once. That bootable we get. That while installing that PVS RDP32.bin, have we enabled that? In the PVS console, we need to check one.
Okay.
In the PVS console, not here. Go to that sites. So site, we give site only this time. Yeah, go to that site once. Site, yeah. Expand that. Expand that left side. There is one expand button. VDisk pools.
Okay.
VDisk pools. This got it. This go to device collection. One device also would be created. Collection.
Yeah.
This is not able to. Still, this is boot from network only, but boot file it is not getting. Restart again that device. So this device, now we are making managed from enter, click anything, enter.
Okay.
Need to go to BIOS options here. This is not going to BIOS.
Yeah, because the restart also not happening correctly.
It need to go to BIOS option. It is booting from network, that is fine, but we need to enable hard disk option.
Okay.
So we'll connect tomorrow, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, we'll see. Once this converted, we want 100 missions also, we can create.
Okay.
Say we are only once that BIOS options is not entering. If directly we'll keep hard disk, and once it booted, it would be converted into that V disk. Then 10 number of devices also we can create whenever we want. Okay. So tomorrow we'll connect to that.
Okay.
Okay, sure. You keep this environment like this. Venkat, you also create one environment.
Okay.
Okay, sure.